I'm ABHIJNA UA from 1st year CSC. Startup company name is Eternal Infinity. Product present name is Cosmetics. Product proposed name Elysian Beauty. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. Cultural respect and authenticity. Personalized beauty regimens. Based on the empathizing states and considering the feelings and the requirement of the customers. Many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is Cosmetics and futuristic name is Elysian Beauty. Some of the additional features are added. First one, ethical practices and fair trade. A second one, use of Ayurvedic products. Third one, reusable packing. And fourth one, AI and AR tools and a vegan formula. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. And I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.